Hey there guys, what's going on today? Welcome to another review slash unboxing video from PeteMKF30 here. So, this is something I've had for actually a week. Brand new item from Fright-Rags.com. If you know or don't know them, they are a website. Their website that sells shirts, hats, socks, trading cards, little mini masks, all kinds of little knickknacks and stuff. They started off initially just shirts, but over the years they've kind of evolved into more general merch with various IPs. So yeah, so this was something new. Every year they get like a couple of new lunch boxes for Halloween time. This year they had Jaws on Halloween, and the Jaws one, while it's okay, it's very kiddie looking, this just wipes the floor with it. I mean, look at this thing. This thing is absolutely amazing. The level of detail. So let me take it out of the plastic here. Kind of got a little lazy with this video. I do have a tripod, but I can do this one-handed, so it's not really... So as you can tell, perfectly solid metal. And it's not just detailed or art, it's actually, you know, that physical, bumpy, almost three-dimensional looking, which I love, you know. Yeah, man, look at the detail. See the blood pouring off of his face, the blood tears mask. For those long-time Halloween fans, you know. Blood tears. One of my favorite Halloween masks from Halloween 2, original, of course. The nightmare isn't over. Of course, with his classic scalpel that he kills people with and literally stabs them in the back and lifts them up. I mean, that's incredible strength. So that's the front. Here's the top. You got, of course, your standard handle, switch to lock it and unlock it. The side here, check out that art. The traditional jack-o'-lantern skull that you see in the beginning of the movie. Creepy, awesome. Same on this side. On the back, it's the same as the other side, so get the same image on both sides. Michael, after he gets shot by Laurie, spoiler alert, in the face, in the eyes specifically, and you see the blood tears. The hospital in the background, which is a nice touch. That's the building. This is actually where he goes in the end. He just walks right through the wall there, the glass door. It's pretty badass. On the bottom, you just got Halloween 2, Universal City Studios, LLC, all rights reserved. A note to parents, Halloween 2 is rated R. Consult www.filmratings.com for further information. Then you got made in China for children over 3 years old. MFG Guangdong Province. Fright-Rags. So let's open this baby up, and as you can see, by the way, nice and sturdy, carry it around. It's got the metal, bolted in there. So let's open the thing up and see what's inside. There is a canister inside, I believe. Oh, there you go. So as you can see, the 3D imprint. You can see it's got nice, feels nice. See his face in reverse there. And here you have Haddonfield HVS Memorial Hospital. So you can tell that's pretty much the comes with a little put you there for 1 minute. There we go. Oh, just slides right out. Okay. So this is pretty much a canister. You could use it for either okay, right. So you could use this thing for either soup, I suppose, or drink, whatever your preference is. And try to see what's in there. Or is that just nothing? Yeah. Oh, okay, that's the bottom. I thought there was something in there for a second. Alright. And of course you have the top here. So this is the standard top. You know, if you want to, guess, you know, like I said, you want soup, I guess water or whatever, any kind of liquid. And this is the your cup that you could drink out of. Perhaps have cereal in here even if you want to. So that's a nice little touch. Nice little bonus, little canister here. And then, oh, piece of paper. Get that out. Alright, so yeah, as you can see, you got a decent amount of room here. It's a good 5-6 inches, yeah. Yeah. Pretty thick. That's what she said. Yeah. So I have another Mortal Kombat lunchbox that's actually thinner than this. So this is a thicker one. I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison soon, maybe my next video actually. Because I do have a couple of videos planned, including some ASMR for those of you who've been asking. I know there have been some people over the years, like, where's ASMR? We don't know ASMR, so rest assured, it is coming real soon. So yeah, nice little lunchbox with nice little bonus canister. I got paid, the total will come out to like $36, but it's actually, I had a coupon since I ordered from these guys a lot, so I actually got like 14 bucks off, which is awesome. You know, I had to use it. Not that there's an expiration date, but I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna use it on this thing. So I think I paid 14, like 13 and change, 14 roughly. So this is the Halloween 2, brand new Halloween lunchbox from Fright-Rags.com. Check them out. They have some awesome shirts, in my opinion, some of the best shirts for horror stuff. For sci-fi. They have some other stuff in there, like they recently got TMNT. So unfortunately they don't have any Mortal Kombat stuff planned. I asked them, they said, yeah, at this time we don't have any plans, so probably tough to acquire the license for that. WB, understandable. But you never know, maybe in the future. They also got Predator shirts recently, so if you like Predator, Chucky, Back to the Future, Halloween, Alien, RoboCop, Terminator. Those are just a few to name, you know, many IPs that they do own. Well, not own, they have the okay to use their products. Also, another nice little detail here. Love these little bolts here. You see, that's cool. And also, the wear and tear, it looks, you know, that has that deteriorated look on the lunchbox. It's not actually old, it's brand new, but it looks like that. So they did a phenomenal job with the artwork, the paint job, everything. So I rate this a 10 out of 10. Can't go wrong. I'm probably just going to use it for a display piece, but I may put some knickknacks in there. I'm most likely not going to put lunch in there, but hey, you never know, right? So, hopefully you guys like this video. Tell me your thoughts on this awesome lunchbox. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you later.